Here too technical. I'm back again with another video. I said back again with another video. So today I just wanted to talk about people starting YouTube channels and getting to 1,000 subscribers. So pretty much it's not hard to go about starting a YouTube channel. All you need is a phone of whatever sort. It can be a Samsung phone, it can be an iPhone, whatever you have at home in your pocket is capable of starting a YouTube channel on, as long as you go look at videos about the settings on how to get the best quality video out of your videos. Because a lot of you may not know, when I first started my YouTube channel, I started with using the phones I had at home. I did not have a camera, or a lot of the things that I have now I did not have back then. I just started from using a device, having a love for tech, and I just started recording things and uploading things, editing things here and there. So if you want to start a YouTube channel, it's very easy. Like I said, all you have to do is have a device of whatever sort, Android, Apple, whatever you want. Have you a nice quiet space to where you can go record and make your content. You need to have an area that's well lit. But back then I wasn't really thinking like that. Back then I was just, I'm gonna do this YouTube thing, I'm gonna make YouTube videos. So you can do what you want to do, but if you want things to go well and to look good, you will want to have nice lighting, whether that be come outside like me and record a video. I'm not saying it's the best lighting right now, but hey, I'm outside, the sun is shining. Whether it be you just be in your room in a corner with a bright lamp, if you have to, go get you a ring light. Remember, you're just starting your YouTube channel off. Other things is, don't run out there to buy the latest and greatest products. Just because you have the latest camera, the latest smartphone, the latest equipment, does not mean your YouTube channel is going to take off. Now, you do get some people that just start a YouTube channel and their YouTube channel blows up, but this is life we're talking about, real life here. Not everyone has those kind of qualities. I'm going to take me myself. When I first started YouTube, it was an uphill battle. It was a journey for me, Sometimes I would get views, sometimes I wouldn't, It took me a while to get where I am today, Even though I'm there today, I'm still working to get where I want to be on this YouTube platform. So if you're going to start, you need to start with this in mind. This is not a race, Just because somebody else's channel got there faster than you does not mean you have to try to get there just as fast, because like I said, it's just about how your viewers watch your content, the quality of your content. And it's not always about the quality of your content. I've seen YouTube channels and watched YouTube shows to where their content is not that great, but their personality is great, or the personality is not that great, but they make great content. So this could work both ways, so don't think just because you have the best audio, the best this, the best that, things are gonna just really move. But it's good to have those kind of things, though. It's good to have good audio, but I'm just saying, don't go out there and just spend bukus of money on things that you think is going to make your content better just because you have it. No, this is a work in progress. To this day, I'm still learning things about YouTube and about making videos that I didn't know, from starting into now. Another thing, don't plan on making a YouTube channel if you're looking at it as money wise, because you can make money off of this platform, but it takes a lot of work, a lot of time, a lot of patience. Say myself, Yes, I have 1,000 subscribers or whatever. I forgot the exact number, but I have 1,000 subscribers. You know, people are like, yeah, kid, you're getting paid now. No, I'm not getting paid. The thing is, you have to have 1,000 subscribers, and you also have to have 4K hours of watch, 4K hours of watch time, if I'm saying that right. You have to also have that up within a certain month before you can even be eligible for the YouTube partner program. So just because you hit the 1,000 doesn't mean you're going to be accepted in the program. I know people that have the watch hours, but they do not have the subscribers. You know, you have to have both. Till this very day, I'm still working on my watch hours. You know, YouTube is it's a fun platform to be on, but it's also tough at times, and it's also hard at times because you have so many other people trying to do this, wanting to do the same thing that you're doing, or you're doing the same thing they're doing. You have to try to deliver it on a level to where people will understand you and like yours. You know, this is like, you have to make sure your content is a tad bit better than the next person's content, only because you want to be able to be found on YouTube. You know, you want your video to pop up first. You know, you want it in there, even if it's not first. You want it second, you want it third. You know, you don't want to be way at the bottom of the line, because if you're way at the bottom, 9 times out of 10 people are not going to find your content. You want your content to be clickable. There's ins and outs to this YouTube business. I'm telling you, there really is. Some people just jump in and be like, hey, yeah, my channel's gonna go off, I'm gonna make some buku money off of this. No, you can, but then you can't. You know, this platform is ran off of patience. You have patience. You know, even me myself, sometimes I want to just say, forget this thing. I want to say, forget it. I don't want to do this YouTube thing anymore. It's too hard. But you know what? I'm not going to quit, because if you quit, you never know how far you could have been or where you could be if you quit. So just know, if you are planning on starting a YouTube channel, whether it be tech, makeup, so on and so on, just know this is going to be an uphill battle. You're going to have your up days, you're going to have your down days. Sometimes you're going to feel like recording, sometimes you're not going to feel like recording. You know, sometimes you'll be motivated, sometimes you won't be motivated. You just have to tell your subscribers to bear with you, sit tight, and try to get back on your recording. Just like me, I know I have not been recording a lot lately, but I'm not going to complain about my views, me not getting any more subscribers, things not looking good. It's because I'm not recording lately. You know, you have so many people that want to complain about, oh, this is not going well for me, or this is not going well for me. But sometimes you have to sit down and think about it. What are you putting into it? You know, I know I'm not putting in enough time to where I can make the videos the way I want to make them and keep them popping out. So with that being said, when things are not looking good for me, when I'm not getting a lot of views on videos, or when I'm not getting subscribers, I cannot complain, because I'm complaining for no reason, because I caused the problems on the channel. So you do know, if you want your channel to grow, you have to be consistent. Yes, I know that's hard to do when you have busy lives, or you have kids, or you work like me myself. You still have to make time for this. You know, if you love it, you'll make time for it. I do love it, but it does get overwhelming sometimes, and it gets tiresome sometimes, you know. But you know, if you see yourself getting overwhelmed, or it's getting a little tiresome, take a little break. You know, this is your channel. You can take as many breaks as you want to. Just don't quit. You know, I have to tell myself every day, okay, I'm gonna make a video, but if I don't do it today, okay, but just don't quit. Don't quit this. Don't quit. Just keep going, you know, because if you quit, like I said, you'll never know where you could be, you know. And heck, it might take 10 years before you get there, but just don't quit. And then another big thing about YouTube is, just because you hit 1,000 subscribers does not mean you're going to get products flowing in at your door like this. No, I've hit 1,000 subscribers. I do get products. I'm not going to say I don't get products. I do get products, but I don't get products in like that and like you think I do, you know. Usually the products that I usually receive from companies are cases and little charging stations, you know, or a company want to offer me a screen protector and so on and so on. So just because you hit that 1K subscriber mark, don't think and don't expect yourself to just be getting cases and products and so on, because it doesn't work that way. The company has to see potential in you. They have to go on your channel and see if there's something in there that you can benefit for them if they send you some products, you know. So just don't have that kind of mindset, because if you come in YouTube thinking you're going to make a lot of money, thinking you're going to get all the products in the world, then this YouTube thing will be very miserable for you and you will not be happy with your journey, you know. And because I do put my YouTube email in my YouTube description. I have done that in the past. Lately, I have been getting people contacting me every so often, not always, every so often, you know. Sometimes it sucks, sometimes it doesn't, you know. Sometimes I get products, sometimes I don't. And then another thing, you have to be careful, because sometimes some of these people that want to send you stuff, they want you to pay and then they'll refund you after you buy that. Usually, if I get a company that comes to me in my emails like that, I usually say no, because if you're going to say free, it needs to really be free, you know. So I don't waste my time with companies like that. But I just wanted to bring this video to people that are starting YouTube and to people that hit the 1K mark. You know, just because, like I said, just because you hit it doesn't mean you're going to get products from every company in the world, or whatever tech company or whatever you're in, because it doesn't work like that. You have to have established enough content for that company to sometimes want to look at you. Now, there is cases to where you may get to review something, you know, and you don't think your channel was that good enough or your videos was that good enough. And I can speak for myself, because I'm a part of Samsung Galaxy Teen Creators program, you know. They sent, you know, I had emailed Samsung one time trying to figure out, is there a way I can get some of your products to review, you know. They were kind enough to send me the email for the program. I did the email plainly, because I knew, I said, okay, this is me, Kia, too technical. I was thinking, I'm not going to get picked for this program. You have to be way up there. You have to get a 1K or 10K follow views on each video that you're making. But I was surprised. They actually liked my content, but they also like what I had to bring to the table, you know. And I don't even have that many views. So there is cases like that. Not often does that happen, but that was just a scenario that really happened to me, that I wanted to share with you on my subscribers on YouTube, and any other people that wants to try to, you know, get in the YouTube thing and that passes 1,000K, you know. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.